On Christmas Day, I will buy a gift and send to my family, and especially my friends. I give them a handmade product such as gift card. I will try my best to decorate it, make it so lovely and creative. Hope they will like it. I like buying some technology product for my dad and my brothers also. Personally, I think sending an e-card or handmade product is popular nowadays. When you spend your time to do something for someone, it's perfect and nothing's better than it. Of course, I will find an amazing gift for my family and my friends, but I'm willing to do it for my lover more. I used to make a card, so it looked not good that I need to buy a new one for the replacement. On Christmas Day, I wish you have a splendid holiday with your family and the people around you. Why don't we celebrate a small party together tonight? I will go to my favorite shop and pick up the most beautiful item for my friends. I usually buy cosmetics, clothes, or any lovely accessories. The girls tend to buy those things when boys are interested in a different one. So the shop owner needs to analyze the needs and wants of the market that the sale will be maximized. Over the past few weeks, I've heard this question several times from various people who find me on their Christmas gift list this year. In my opinion, I will make a card for my friend. I will spend time to create my best card. Sending card is a traditional spy all over the world. Nevertheless, if it replaced by e-card or just write something on Facebook on this day. Furthermore, a group of my friends will hold a small party for Christmas celebration together. We will have cake, candle, gifts, lights, and lovely Christmas tree. Merry Christmas everyone, enjoy your day. In Vietnam, especially the South, Christmas is become more and more popular. So we are exchanging the Korean culture with the Western culture by the good way. Clearly, I don't know how the Christmas Day in Saigon will be this year. So I had reverend said that in foreign country, it will be a big event of a year. Every household is waiting for this occasion when they can go out and enjoy with their friends. Also, they will decorate their house with beautiful lights and buy tree. We will have a lovely Santa Claus who come to our children and give us beautiful gift. Children like it so much that it's enough for a wonderful night.